Welcome, boys and girls, to day 3. Today we are going to make dirt cups, which some of y'all might have had pretend dirt that like actually pudding before, because today we've been talking about building our foundation on Jesus. And so when a house is being built, we actually just had friends that just put a foundation on the house, right? Do you remember what they had to do first before they did anything else?
They had to build the sides of the house and then lay it down.
Well,
Foundation.
They had to get truckloads of dirt.
They had to get truckloads of dirt first, right? Yeah. And so in the story we talked about there was the wise builder and there was the foolish builder. What did the wise builder build his house on, Miracle?
On the rock.
On the rock. What did the foolish builder build on?
The sand.
The sand, yeah. And so we want to build our foundation on the rock, who is Jesus. Jesus is our rock. And then we're gonna pretend we're building a pretend foundation with the dirt and we're gonna eat it. But it's not really dirt, right? Okay, so get out your packet that has the pudding cup, the Oreos, and the sour candies. And we're gonna each show you our different sour candies because you might have different kinds in your bags. I have the sour worms. What do you have, Karis?
I have sour bright eggs.
What do you have,
I
Miracle?
have sour bites.
Sour bites, yeah.
Extra
So,
sour.
but those are not quite yet. We can put those to the side. And we're gonna take out our Oreos and put those to the side. Now we're gonna take out the pudding and,
Open the pudding.
yep, you can go ahead and open the pudding. Chocolate pudding. That's my favorite.
Mine too.
Okay. Yep, it's a little bit messy, but that's okay. You could lick the top like Miracle did if you want. And then you're gonna spoon it into, okay, so I forgot to mention, you're gonna need a
With cups.
spoon. You're gonna need a little cup or bowl or something. And then you might want a plate or placemat or something underneath to keep it from getting too messy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and spoon the pudding into your cup or bowl or whatever container you have. Try not to lick the spoon yet because we're gonna need that again. And remember, always wash your hands before you start working with food. Okay, then you can set your pudding cup to the side. Okay, I got a little on I'm gonna wipe it on my apron. That's why it's nice to have an apron. Okay, now you can take your Oreo pack and this is a really fun part. You can squish them. Or it might pop.
Okay.
So you might need to kind of set it down on your tray or your plate and kind of push down on it. How's that working for you, Karis? You can kind of pretend you're hammering while you do it.
They're pretty cracked out now.
Yeah? Okay. But your parents probably tell you to be careful, you're gonna break it. Well, now you can break it, right? This is your chance to break it up. Okay. Once you feel like you've gotten some good crumbly pieces in there, you can open it up. Now they're gonna be crumbly, so be careful how you open it.
Yeah.
You might want your parents to help you a little bit with this so you don't make too much of a mess. So you just dump it in there. Good job, Karis. You're crumbling yours a little bit more. Okay. Wow. I wish real dirt was this yummy all the time.
Look this yummy.
Yep. You can stir it now. Yep. So it's kind of like chunky. Okay. Now, my mouth is watering already. Okay, now you can take your gummy candy, whether it's worms or bites or eggs, whatever it is, and
Open it.
I don't really love these, so I'm just gonna put a couple in. You can,
I can't open mine.
you need help?
Yeah. I can't open it.
Oh, you know what? I think there's a little flap. Let me get Miracle. Can I see them, please? Can you open yours while I help Karis? Okay. Oh, yeah. This might, if you get something like this, you might want to use scissors. But let me see if I can. Okay, here. If you just kind of pull like that, pull it apart. That works too. Or you could ask your parents to use scissors.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So take however many candies you want,
I took all of them.
and you just put them in there, and then you stir it again, so you kind of hide them. Well, I mean, that's more fun. Then you take a bite, and you don't know if you're gonna get a candy or not, but you stir it up. Okay. All right.
So it looks like
You ready to take a, oh, should we do
Cheers.
cheers? Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay,
Okay.
let's take a bite. Mmm. Good.
I got an egg.
Oh, how is the sour?
Oh, it tastes like a jelly bean.
Oh.
It doesn't taste sour.
All right, you can go make your own dirt. Have a good time. And remember, build your foundation on Jesus.
Bye.